$260.
Yeah.
That's the price for the single cable we're looking at today.
For the PureLink CX-070, yeah. And I mean, for that much money, you'd expect it to be, I don't know, gold-plated or something.
Right. But this isn't some kind of audiophile snake oil. We're talking about a 70-meter, that's 229-foot certified CATx cable. It's built for critical infrastructure.
Mm-hmm.
So the mission for this deep dive is to really unpack the engineering that justifies a cost like that. Why does a cable need something called TotalWire technology?
And why can't a hospital just use the same $5 cord you buy at the store?
Exactly.
Well, it really all comes down to the environment it's designed for.
The documentation calls them high-noise environments.
Yeah, and we should be clear, that doesn't mean loud.
Right. We're talking about signal noise. EMI. Electromagnetic interference.
That's the invisible enemy. I mean, think about a hospital or a dense server farm. You have huge power lines, HVAC motors, wireless signals, just everywhere.
All creating interference.
All of it. And a poorly made cable basically acts like a big antenna, just soaking all that noise up right into the copper.
And at home, that might just mean your screaming video buffers for a second. Annoying, but that's it.
But in a surgical suite, or on a trading floor, a dropped packet isn't an annoyance. It's a genuine liability. Data corruption.
Which is where this TotalWire technology comes in, I assume.
That's exactly it. It's their approach to isolation. This cable uses what's called a UFTP structure.
Okay, so that's 4 shielded, twisted pairs.
Right. The twisting itself helps cancel out some noise, but the key is that each of those 4 pairs is also individually wrapped in foil.
Just so they can't interfere with each other. It's not just about outside noise.
That's the crosstalk. And it's a huge deal, but even with the best wire, the failure point is almost never the cable itself.
It's the connector.
It's always the connector.
You can have all the shielding in the world, but if you strip it back to crimp on a little plastic plug, you've just created a massive gap in the armor.
Precisely. This one uses a fully shielded, solid-built connector. It extends that armored tunnel all the way into the port, no gaps.
Which you'd need, considering what they're pushing through this thing. 10 gigabit data, Ultra HD 4K.
And specifically HDBaseT.
Which is so sensitive. It's pushing uncompressed video, audio, power all over one line.
Yeah, and it has almost zero tolerance for error. If that signal degrades even a little bit, you don't get a fuzzy picture like the old analog days.
You just get a black screen.
A black screen, or maybe even worse, the HDTVSupply handshake fails.
HDCP 2.2, the copyright protection.
Right. The source mentions this cable is compliant with it, and that matters. If the cable introduces too much noise, the source device, like a media server, thinks the connection is compromised, and it just kills the feed.
So you're basically paying for headroom, for the guarantee that that digital handshake happens cleanly every single time.
That's the peace of mind.
I also noticed the jacket type here. LSCH. Low smoke, zero halogen.
Yep, that's a requirement for any kind of government or public space installation.
Most people think that's just about, not breathing in toxic fumes in a fire.
And it is, but there's another reason that's often overlooked. Standard PVC jackets, when they burn, release hydrochloric acid gas.
Oh, wow.
That gas can completely corrode server motherboards, all the electronics in a room. It can destroy data the fire never even touched. The LSZH jacket prevents that.
It all fits that set and forget idea they mentioned.
Yeah.
You run this through a wall, and you trust the warranty and the compliance, so you never, ever have to open that wall again.
That is the whole value proposition, taking the what-if out of your network's physical layer.
It's a good reminder, really. We spend so much time worrying about software, firewalls, encryption. But at the end of the day, the entire digital world still runs on electrical pulses moving through a physical copper wire.
And if that wire can't hold the line, none of the software matters.
Something to think about the next time you're just looking at a loading screen. Thanks for diving in with us.